Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to merge multiple Word documents. When you're working in a collaborative team, multiple team members may need to work on the same document in parallel. There are multiple ways to work on the same document. You can work on separate sections of a document or use track changes in Word. But this is not always possible, especially when the team is large and when you have to work offline due to busy timetables. Uh, let's have a look at an example. I'm going to use a template from Word here to demonstrate this. So let's have a look at this welcome to Word document. And I can save this as an original document. Let's suppose I'm working on this document and I can save this document as original. Right. Let's suppose I'm going to send this document to my colleague and they're going to work on this document. Let's suppose my colleague is working in parallel on this document and they add table of contents. Let's add table of contents here. Um, they make some further changes as well. For example, they delete a figure from here, another figure from here. For example, they insert instead another picture. I can insert here a picture, for example, of an aeroplane. Let's see. And I'm going to save this as revised document. Let's suppose my colleague sent this as a revised document. Okay, so my colleague is working on this document, but in parallel I'm also working on this document. Let's suppose I make some changes in the original document in parallel before they send me this revised document. So this is my original document. I am making some changes. For example, I say highlight text here. I can also make some further changes as well. For example, delete this figure here, and I'm going to save this as original. So now how I'm going to merge these two documents. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Review tab and then click on Compare and Combine. So I'm going to provide path to the original document and the revised document here. I click OK. So now it will show me a different interface. I can hide the source document here as well if I want to just look at the changes from both documents, or I can show the source documents, both the source documents as well. What I'm going to do here is, for example, I can see that this change from table of contents is from the revised document, whereas it was not in the original. So I like this change. What I'm going to do is I'm going to accept this suggestion. I'm also going to see all the revisions which have been added on the left side as well. I can go to the next change. This is where I can see that the figure has been deleted. So what I'm going to do is I am not going to accept this change, so I can just reject that change. Similarly, I can see that instead of this figure, there is an aeroplane picture, so I can accept or reject this change as well. I can accept this change. For example, I had in the original document, you can see I had added highlight text where it was not in the revised document, so I can accept this change as well. The last change was deleting this figure here, which you can see was deleted in the original document. I can reject this change even if I had made those changes. So once I have all the revisions checked, so that you will see 0 revisions here, and then I can save my document as the combined document. All right, so that's how you can combine two different documents in Word. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Thank you.